How to create color transition in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline and I want to combine some of the transitions with solid color to create a nice color transition between these 2 clips. Go to the Effects panel and click on Generators. Drag and drop a solid color above the clips in timeline. With the solid color selected, open up Inspector panel. Click on the color and change it. Now click on Video Transitions and search for Push. Drag and drop Push to the start of the solid color. Select the transition and in the inspector, set ease to in and out. Now we have a smooth push in transition. Hold down the Alt key and drag the transition and drop it at the end of solid color to create a duplicate from it. Now decrease the duration of the solid color until the 2 transitions touch each other. And change the position of the solid color to be exactly in the middle between 2 videos. And now we have it. We can add some more colors to it as well. Hold down the Alt key and drag the solid color to track above to create a duplicate from it. Click on the duplicated solid color, and in the inspector, change its color. Now, select the transitions in the duplicate solid color and set its duration to 40 frames, which is 5 frames less than the first solid color transitions. Move the mouse cursor at the start of solid color until you see this icon, and just click. Then press the dot key on your keyboard 5 times. Move mouse cursor at the start of solid color until you see this icon and click. Then press the comma key on your keyboard 5 times. We can add more colors in this way, but the general idea is the same. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.